Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, purple color, black color, sky blue color, red color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, parrot color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for fruits. G for glass. H for hen. I for iron. J for jam. K for king. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nurse. O for oxygen. P for peacock. Q for question. R for rainbow. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.